Hello, future freshmen and families. This is just a real short, informal tutorial on how to sign up for classes next year. First thing you're going to need, I'm on step 1 here, is you're going to need the course request direction sheet, which is right this guy with the directional arrow. We're going to be following along with this in this tutorial. Next thing you're going to need is a freshman course request schedule selection sheet. That's this guy right here with the calendar image. This guy is the one that you're actually going to fill out and turn into the office at the middle school. This is due Tuesday, May 11th at 3 o'clock p.m. This, you'll notice at the very bottom, has a spot for a parent or guardian signature, so plan ahead when you are signing up for classes. Next sheet you're going to need is a course request option sheet. So that has the schoolhouse image right here. This is going to give a list of all the different course options you have available to you as a freshman. You also will have available to you a course scheduling guide. And so this gives you a little bit more detail of not just the class name, but any prerequisites for the class, as well as a short description for what the class covers. All right, we're already on step 2. As a freshman, you're required to take English 9, which is a 1-year-long course. It's already been written in for you in your schedule selection sheet, so you don't have to worry about writing that in. We know that you're a freshman and you'll be taking that. Step number 3, you're required to take physical science your freshman year. That as well has been filled in for you on your schedule selection sheet. Step 4, you're required to take civics your freshman year. That has been selected for you as well. And step number 5, you're required to take Phy Ed your freshman year, and that has been selected for you as well. Step 6, math courses typically go algebra, geometry, and then either advanced algebra or college algebra, and then pre-calculus. So depending on what you took this year as an 8th grader, you'll either sign up to take geometry if you already came over to the high school for your algebra class, or if you did not do that, you'll circle algebra here on the table. Step number 7, you may choose to take no more than 1 study hall per semester. You can choose not to take a study hall. You will select that by either circling study hall here or writing an elective during the next steps. Step number 8, this is the fun one. You're going to use the course option sheet, which is the sheet with the schoolhouse image, remember, and the course description guide to determine the remaining courses you'd like to take. You're going to write the names of the courses you'd most like to take on the sheet in the appropriate place. Now, it's important to note that the period of the day is not reflected accurately in this table. So English 9 is not necessarily going to be offered the first period of the day. Physical science is not necessarily going to be offered the second period of the day. We just have 8 different sections for you to fill out to reflect those 8 different periods that will be at some point during the day. All right, also keep in mind that each course for a semester is half a credit. So if you are taking a course that's 1 credit, it's a 1-year-long course, and you'll want to take that both first and second semesters. And the columns do reflect first and second semesters. Some other things to keep in mind: in order to graduate, you need to take 1 semester of social studies beyond your required social studies courses. So you are required to take civics your freshman year. That's been filled out for you. You're required to take U.S. history your junior year, and you're required to take sociology and economics your senior year. But in addition to those required classes, you are required to take 1 semester-long course of social studies. There are lots of cool options for you to take, and those are listed on the option sheet. In order to graduate, you also need to take 2 semesters of a CTE course, which includes business and technology education courses, family and consumer education courses, and or tech ed courses. Lots of cool options there as well. Check out the options available to you this year. Next step, in order to graduate, you need to take 2 semesters of either a visual art or a music, band, or choir course. for your freshman through senior years. Those options are listed below as well. Step 9, you're going to use your course option sheet, which is the one with the schoolhouse image, to determine your alternate choices. So we do our very, very best to make your first choices happen, but if for some reason they aren't fitting in schedule-wise, we'd like for you to sign up for 4 different classes that you'd like to take if these guys don't work out. Step number 10, you're going to discuss your selections with your parents and guardians. Have them sign the schedule selection sheet, right here. And then last step, number 11, you're going to turn in this sheet right here to the middle school office by Tuesday, May 11th at 3 o'clock p.m. I am definitely going to be checking with you guys individually during your lunchtime to see if you guys have any questions I can answer. Otherwise, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or Mrs. Rhodes, who is our high school guidance counselor. We're available by phone or email anytime. Thank you guys for listening, and please, like I said, do not hesitate to reach out. Good luck.